menam na metete menam na metete aba seo umetike Minoyame eje NDC mono. Fire service into mono. I was a comedian so Paddlemore, so ni Paddlemore. Akwana brother say e cheba from no because by the end of July, June July, dollar be through 4 series. I say Paddlemore. Ajeta on NDC for no. Media na so. Enya asinkuma ama TikTokers from me NDC for no. Omu chire omu disappointed. The man chire mu no achire wadwe ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Best was say need mu. Over like keep video no that my boss subscribe button some click notification and latest update some better wa adwa dia mama e wo comment section message so baso no a share for so enya bi ash and this particular video no hu nya botira relax kana to sinaji gidamu oda say o de pe coffee bi si woncha na de puma cook ne yantwe ne yanyi namu ehwe video e reason me na mo na me copy TikTok na me ko say Paddlemore no wo kasa na Paddlemore sa ma me ntie no because e bia na or say my prophecy about $1 because say $1 be through 4 cedi but now $1 Paddlemore no is that crowd number 12 Paddlemore what's it there you ba wala say you Paddlemore oh I mean tie no don't know all like oh I mean tie Paddlemore na Paddlemore nkasemu no na say as we no obi cons na ho na Paddlemore ni ku ho na Paddlemore abeka ni ntokwa yi ho na Paddlemore ni nyan yi e dia say possible mi tie ma o say esi ano e kwa dis ni mu a presidential race no consider I say chairman general mosquito one as the near crowd the near permit of the president and hey his excellency mosquito that's the first mosquito to be a president in Ghana here what I say mosquito di ka be president e wa Ghana hanmo e say di ketia his excellency mosquito hey e be iro kuruba no e tie say ketia near president adi na enum no say delegates no so mo hono no Omuna just a 23 NDC for bar abamu 2024 2024 na Paddlemore or your house to house campaign say oba yuma on the boys na Paddlemore chire mu a ye didija no ye didija won the boys ye didija no e disempani fu ahwe ya they go smell pepper
constituency hwese give us director ofui give us director e da asam obi na de na abehye ho entino ye constituency ye branch chairman assemble John Mahama president utia obati say me I organize demonstration against it because me pene president baby agi hawk isino me branch chairman awo ho oye adwuma wo gi hawk ma CEO oye de buy ayi no si onko kumase how are we going to win that branch gi hawk me branch chairman branch a whole avenue branch chairman Ohono Yejuma, he has been there for the past 16 years. Kofi Juma was able to work with our branch chairman. Only no problem. If you fly in the buy or transfer me branch chairman, how are we going to win the seat? Now what's Aquano? Yano, when you do better now, be a Yabeshe. Ugo, now we are free. Ugo, Masa. Mofamu concentrate mo baby you people are sitting on your comfort zone. You don't know, can you even stand Aveno? Do you know what happens in Aveno the election day? Utimipo. Branch chairman has been there for the past 16 years. Who the new CEO head over? Wabe he branch chairman. Yeah, kwaka. Now we are in the phone. More dream go more dream party no. Wusa CEO no, they will come for the last year. Me say, either some make to they will choose to lose the seat at Okako South, or you that CEO you will leave. Make a give up. You will leave. I swear you will leave. You will leave. What do you have? Meanwhile, be on the way back now. Mate. Well, we are NDC delegate, one. Munche delegate. See the power I'm controlling here. What the? Would you see can call Baba Betra? We are corrupt. Mudia Mundi Agro. Na Mondre Samuko pre-power and Timon care from for. You better come as a farm. Massa, you better meow as a farm. Once a Tiani meow as a farm. Muncha, this is the power I control. We NDC need delegate at one. Muncha the power. You fact that you can't control. Who are numbers? You don't have numbers. We have the numbers. I can call my people here. When they see, I have large numbers of people. I have money, dear blogger. But we will teach you people lesson. Samiba Makola, Sako Munina Monsho Bia. Kevin Taylor, talk to your people. Oma neglected boys when you na money when you know beer complaining. Why? I didn't me. Mr. Delegate, we are delegate to actual one. Me, I'm a businessman. I'm subject to disappointment. Me, I take it cool. You see the numbers I control? Delegate, mu delegate ne tie yen. Tiyen ye kita to me. Yen ye beche on baby amon fa abanen ko. Na mo tena ho ye behwe. Mon share life way, mo record mon fa. Me ka kire mo NDC mu base say, mon sorry. Mon resource mo manfo. Mon bie mu. So mo ba mo nom so mo ye party for no mo timi kire so mo ye party for. Mo ma mo anko mo ncha nti no obi sa ne mrede ye party adwuma. Aya mre omo say omo mre de party adwuma moma mo nya mfa so wo ho mesra mo na omo so ye party for wo abusia wo ma wo bi sori a party adwuma na oye me constituency ana me yere ka maza amanfo boafuo montenase enye dede. Obisi, are you sure, Master? Oh, I'm very sure. I won't know me try now. There be me try on try then ever. Me try on try today. Me try on try on your shade. Me try on try on your shade. Me I almost money me back at you. And yet in then you free da. Unim musa kroma mu akwadwofo no dɔɔso ntiru mu so bi I don't know. Masa ya bro NDC, you are not doing the best. Me blame John Mahama. I will blame his ministers and the other people because mu nyina mu ye MPs. Mu appointees na ye hu mu campaign platform so da. Ye hu mu campaign platform so da. Na so ma nyanya appointment ye kwaka esi o na mu di musika boa sika enye nipa na sori akoye adwuma. Enipa na sori koye adwuma adana ye to aba no ubetimi di sika tua nkrofo ka ba wan monitor o man kwa obekoto aba mu bi foforo ntimu hweyi wo mo a wo bo a mo mamoji akonwa no mo nani mo chi nkyiro mo na mo dani mo chi ntam me kasa ma betena ye tenten mo nyina ye dani a mo dani mo chi ekire nkrofo amanfo tiam wa ase mo party for sremo Chairman say don't get your national strategy and would be constituencies at least I could build the people. Mon frère MPs. Mon ma MPs in fan for 4 more consider at least 4. Just say MP crowd mama almost slaughter no crowd be ko enye adwuma. Ada na mo gu o manu ase. Unim say ade na enkwa. O sa de man ye de an. Dabio. MP no oh mon church edimra yemfa nko enye so obi si o me say me ni MP na nam Ome chocho di akwafe na amafo MP ni adwuma na ko say MP fra obi ampon fi what is happening NDC it's a joke oga ye fi entama fi wa bonti me ko si wa wiem me de wiem na mesi no mo yare sa tete kwa asem na egu political party no ye ntena so ye kwa akoto aba mo ye executive sisi abebere ko yen ye me yen ye be control monto ma we onye papa we onye yen ye be tunti ye si ahenefo yeah be say wa we delegate wa mu de mu delegate bu a me na me ye osi ahene delegate mu ncho wa na do no nyefe mu ncho wa no mame na o mu gina so no hwe power no ahon asem make power we control the power you don't control shit. We are delegate at one mammy. Monja, would the overflow some make us about her dear. My lady Monja, Paddlemore. Moncho, Paddlemore. Oda Monja, Paddlemore. Monamo throw heat count. What's one and what your heat? Paddlemore. Oda Monja. She delegate and me control Paddlemore. Meeting me feel comfort zone and me control delegates. I am the bayo. Mucho mami, Paddlemore, na sami basum, no pair mo aquasum, na munia sum, GH blogger sum, US blogger sum, they say, oh, we didn't pay UK. Your friend is yeah, can say heat. We will feed it, me bad no. Would you move squad, baba? Squad, I build a drum, but Johnny. Some Muslim Muadam, Musuba Johnny, over Patao. One lie to lie. Ya Edina, Missumba Patao, so over president. Uba Patao. You go back. Umedia, Omina Bromas. Massa Browasio, radio station, Omada. Munu Tima ya built a day Bamuswa. Ube Johnny. Kevin tell an air class captain, no. Me assistant class captain, Messi Mube Johnny. That fool, to my will. Ube Johnny. Ola monya, and I hear to Mirika, Muntumrika, to Mirika, Beshaya, by a bet, Ramu saying the control agrono. Captain Caesar. Me say, Adana ye koto aba for president. Ye be kono. Once we get on phone, no more help Paddlemore. Meet me fear them control millions, and then you see your santa. My man no ye ne o madrin se be kamutin because we mu kwakufusu. Ye fe kwakufusu asare. To me ekutame. Me nana ene kwam ten. Me nana ene kwam ten. Wonem me andarete me. Untimi ndi agro. Dabi. Untimi su mumi kwase amfa ni ye ne sa. Yanya sa me yemfa machi enko yija dabi ufa machi yija meyi watu fam emfa nyome mu oduru enso ame ema me kotumu menye mumuni na omi ana mode no me mu oduru so anu mane kotumu me de yanya me sa udi me bone me du bone ti mode ya ni e control ya utu mu time. The game has changed. Everything has come to on the internet, and we are going to choose the next fiber. My name is Kokufu Zasare. I have my team, and nobody can contest that team. One year, on year, you try to support Eddie Amano. Mopa Montronto, Wano, Nebe, and Nefabra. Montronto Sensia. Who's a Mabia Manu, Eddie support 2 way on the bed and Nefabra. And I mean, Nia Kevin Taylor, bet you soon, or no, I met you soon, or no, as I may bet or no, be a bet you soon. Because you're funny, you're panoso. Na wa also baro this no we nyina na yasa wo mesi wo dreams be ka wo trim wo la mo hwe mesi ya na ye be the next better ti ya e
let me say this and repeat it again. Me need interest to be the only interest I have in my content is maybe some questions or politicians or more reading. That is all. Politicians no obi anko for so man chichiro mo say omumbe kanchire say ento abamomo enti me oba me comment section na obechiro na obechiro ebia wo ye MP8 ebia wo ye MPBB MCBB ochiro boye wejuma. But the most important thing is say before I obenye ejuma no enye plate so na ewo no ababeje o ka asem bi kire o ka ansem kire enti eno ho nkomo na ye di ni ebisa questions. First na youth in that say I think like when I read some of my comment sections, me who say some of the youth are lightening up. In fact, it is good we all embrace that light. Near from pushy crokesi mo yes say their development be what district be better than us. And then yes almost started from ABA and they started somewhere and I'm be do some pempens so we can equally do it. But the process into our back comment section or better will be just to discourage us and please we don't disrespect. Yeah, no, biatra, and we yenye content we enfa attack will be integrity. Now, because ye bechu police station, ye do court in there. We are addressing issues and asking questions. In this buying no catcher sent in yento abamfama no oba obey women development bank. Ama mema ame otie kurasi so at me anya loan. They are starting adwuma na say they are being adwuma mu a. Ya to abana wie nipa na wie ni and we expect me to sit down. I shouldn't ask that question. O catcher me say me nua na oni adwuma ye no. Oba be creating yuma ebetimi aboa ama nipa miensa be yadwuma baako na existing ones no so sa na mo be no same job 3 shifts 3 people na say ato aba na wie na me bisa o ka kire me say denti na me bisa also about 24-hour economy nti me expect say filling stations be about running 24 hours supermarket be about running 24 hours in the OT region oko Dambai station and adu 2 o'clock na upe fufu adia you should get it nti say empempenso we na say sanema number you said I shouldn't ask questions Pantu ne cross from Dambai to the overbank. Pantu ne cross from Karachi to the other side. No, it's supposed to work 24 hours. In this, I go draw 7 p.m. and I say 8. And I say Juma. You said I shouldn't ask questions. Please, with all due respect, we don't have any interest. But the political people, now political industry, no, votes on some promises via. GDC no nebeti me aboy enti the power there show. So when we are asking them questions, please, if you don't have any better submission, I will be to your comment section. Wow, just read or watch or skip and go. So this is what we also believe we can put our leaders on their toes for them to be able to execute their plans and projects and the vision for the municipal and as a district. And all the name and we will ask. And nobody should say MPP by 8 years then why MPP they be a make us or branca yanto abantiano. And once I have about the MPP there we believe say no ma yen nyina oma mbobra. Let's all agree say be a MPP amobra. So what OT region one create OT region or mobra my. And that is why we said they should pack themselves na NDC mbra. And NDC abana or say obemaye you can say also be Women Development Bank ede amayema amenomo yenuanom omo ye businesses na 9 months ni bie hunu say bia ya je dan bi oba bi kra district bi mu abi banker what do you want us to say obi otinja se no hwan na ope loan dia ye adwuma mo bie no original capital ho obefiri ho ababaji loan kra ko no akromfo anje sika no nsam sa akromfo anje kra sen yenyina yenum say Bank of Ghana be ma loan and as Bank of Ghana ebe ma certificate would be a bank for I also nya 400 million Ghana cedis or account mu now buying a budget for us that is one bank now buying my promises say obey Women Development Bank now obey budget now budget na 51 million Ghana cedis 51 million Ghana cedis no ask yourself say bank be na be create bank any bakery. So if you bisa questions please let us understand to the fact say niema no bi wo that a scam. So far enya exist any day a scam to some of us. Say 24-hour economy say otia bisa mi company ebetimi aye adwuma 24 hours. Ba free chinderi infa Brenas in Quanta company Ben a bit me 24 hours in Tia. Yato Abana Mama we. So when we are asking questions, we don't do respect. Mama in bisa questions and why. In any case, we don't want answers from Mama more type a church name or comment section. And Yamu honey answers in free. Answers near your more edit to me dash almost answers near Oma beji political power there are free and someone. Omani be almost our questions. So when we are asking them, please allow us. You can skip and go. But please, and Yamana market canon. For instance, 24-hour economy and I say be a free education for example 2016 nana kufado nana we know free SHS near omo ba ya omo be free SHS and at least cover the whole nation and the yemfa say be between the Women Development Bank between 24-hour economy between same job 3 shifts so far e be a 24-hour economy company ben e wo uti ho no ma omo operate 24 hours pasa from MPP time omanya light problem sa pasa krachi omo light engineer so sa why na kwako be company be na ho a ebetima gina ye adwuma without stable electricity even though over krokese ma hanu sa light no memfa say for the past 2 months ni light no very superb egina ne nan so sa but those areas omo electrical problems what I say electricity power no very very low ohwe Nkrasi sebi obi owo krasi kra bonkwa kura no muni alekwacha no muni ayi no sani pa no se wato aba to get a 24-hour economy job to do okwo he say no be anya but obi o pankwa kura wakọ free SHS and these are questions that when we are asking allow us to ask because you have the power na dey amoma wi And the person be repeating mistakes be in our elections. Elections na da anyum be no nkwane hia. The person be inform so on that. So allow us to ask those questions. Oko fantasia before Gateway Radio honomo. Oka se kakra Jofrikini poster kakraka boho 24-hour economy bosso. Ono so ne filling station ebe boss 7 normal pon. Wo dey kevi nuclear fuel bako na wo bonache anase yes bonache. Ebe bo 10 12 normal pon. And I was here bisa questions from now. When you say bia me bisa those questions because bia no, but I was see me bisa. You say upon chibema join this adra no nyonso. Unumo wu afahwe na. And what would trigger the end no? We should experience it from the beginning. 9 months. And I was here start bisa. Say nyin say na ya nyem 7th December na say 8th December na say bia obi oni obi ada after 7th December bia ebepem say John Mahama aye president ni nyina no by this time oje kwan wo nipa mua eba wiase. And there was a bizarre questions. So when we are asking, we don't need answers from you at the comment section. With all due respect, momo na mabeshe ebo district bia MPB ho bia shebo. In this body, we want answers to Boshen and Mashen. Where are we going to get those answers? We will ask them. Normal catcher. Obine and town being where ye sentiment in this animal. Please stop that. Munja is adiano. MP na ye beto abadiaman or say meba betwi mu akwan. 9 months ni mu excavator kra grader kra mu hu okwan so. Nkrof manfo no bisa mo mu bisa. Mo network ye ba ye be network amamo 9 months ni ye hu ni se obi abaye solve kra wo ho nti maye mbisa ye ka ne sesen omo ni network omo mu ni electricity 9 months no mu hu se babi wo ho kra electricity extension omo ya wie akase meter anasa akase omo de power betum keke so 9 months ni ono awato aba no ma onye ma mbisa. Is that what you are telling us? Please. The people will ask. We will ask. And that is why we voted for them. Next elections, we won't say we call pressure that also you compel and I say we nyahwe in free man seat no man be contest bim. O de ho baso be contesting kwanda. It means we are ready to face every consequence, every hit be we are ready to face it. And we will ask you questions. You don't have any excuses say more person be some questions and as more person busy 24 banks and was say start see who say more banks and na obi or no adwuma or baby no obenya kwan be loan. The youth are ready to establish businesses. That is what we want. Na monjai na na mo 80 for near 80 wo
Chire wa dwema me e wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.